So evaluate the 6 trig functions for the angle t equals pi over 6. Okay, so first of all, you see pi over 6, you should be saying that's a unit circle angle. So you need to go to your unit circle here and find the angle pi over 6. Where is it? It's right here. So you need to know the coordinates for that point in order to answer the questions, right? So the coordinates are root 3 over 2, 1/2. So let me write that right here. Root 3 over 2, 1/2. So remember, the sine is y. So what is sine of pi over 6? 1/2. What is cosine? Which is root 3 over 2. Okay, how about the tangent? Remember, it's y over x, right? So that'll be 1/2 divided by root 3 over 2. They do, right? And that, honestly, I would go just saying what Justice did right there. The 1/2 and the divided by 2 in the denominator are going to cancel. That will be the square root, 1 over the square root of 3. If you're not comfortable with that, you can always say, well, dividing by a fraction is like multiplying by the reciprocal. So that's 1/2 times 2 over the square root of 3, which is 1 over the square root of 3. Either way, it's 1 over the square root of 3. But we have to rationalize the denominator. Well, what is this going to look like once I've rationalized the denominator? The square root of 3 over 3, right? If you do this, you get root 3 over 3. Okay, now, the cosecant is 1 over the sine, so what is it? 1 over 1/2, which is what? 2. Come on, flip the fraction. You got to have a little bit of math sense here, right? How about the secant? It's 1 over the cosine. 2 over the square root of 3, but now we've got to rationalize the denominator. That is, there you go, 2 root 3 over 3. And then the cotangent is 1 over the tangent. But, you know, we got this form by rationalizing the denominator on this. How about if you just flip this? It's the square root of 3. Okay. So again, when we do this, we're going to find the angle on the unit circle and then use those definitions for the 6 trig functions. There may be some rationalizing of denominators, things like that.